So the fun part about blending is you kind of get to decide when to stop. You can stop when you have no line, or at least the appearance of no line and it's complete gradients like this. Or you can stop when you still have a line, and it's completely up to you, the artist, of when you stop and what methods you use to get there. That's what makes blending so much fun and useful to those of us with kind of the skin picking anxiety, those kind of things, is because we can pour that into this. Um, this is one of those things we can hyper focus on and figure out, like, um, figure out a problem over. If I'm trying to figure out the budget for the month, or something like that, I can do this and kind of think about that and look at paperwork or whatever, or watch TV, or whatever, as I'm like kind of working over this, instead of just kind of keeping my hands busy. Hands were not meant to be, I'm sorry, just not meant to be calm and still all the time. I don't believe it. Hands were meant to be doing something at all the time. Like, we were meant to be creators. So yeah, that is what I believe firmly in my heart, that we're all meant to be creators, and we're all meant to use these gifts of not being able to sit still or needing to scratch at something. We can use these to create, and being able to channel those energies into something else. So with blending, it's a good channel for those energies. So step into some blending and have a great day. Thank you for watching.